Hello music friends. Today I want to talk about a large group game that I love to support our students' learning of Italian dynamics terms and their English definition and the symbol. I have here my squirrel fun dynamics match game with this cute squirrel with the English term, an acorn with the Italian term, and the leaf with the symbol. The way I play it is I have all the students in a circle. And I mix up the set, one for every different dynamic that I wish to include today. And each child gets one piece. The next thing I do is have the acorn students take their acorn and move to the center of the circle and sit down, spread apart where other people can walk in between. Next, I make sure that the leaf students know that they represent the tree and that they are to stand tall and hold their leaves so that others can see their leaf and they know that they represent that symbol. Finally, the squirrels will, at my signal, move through the group of acorns on the floor until they find their matching acorn. They'll tap that student on the shoulder and the two of them will walk together around the circle and find their tree. When they find the tree, the squirrel and the acorn sit on the floor right beside the tree with the tree in the center. When you see the three students together with a tall tree in the center and a squirrel and acorn on either side, you will know that they're finished. Now you can play this game without a winner. You don't have to have a winner. You can time your class to see how fast the whole class finishes and everyone is finished at the same time. Or everyone is finished, and that can be the win, is that they all finish and all find a match. You do not have to have a winner in this game. Another way you can play if you don't have that squirrel fun set is you can make your own manipulatives out of construction paper and a marker. I made different shapes for each one and different colors to keep the fall color theme. You can do that with shapes as well as this set. So the Squirrel Fun Dynamics again set does come with all the dynamics from pianissimo to fortissimo, and it also has crescendo and decrescendo included. The last thing I would like to mention is that the Squirrel Fun Dynamics set does come with an answer sheet that you could add if you want to use this as a center game to make it self-checking, to put in your center. And it comes with a craftivity page with a cute squirrel, acorn, and leaf set on one page where the students can write their own terms on each symbol and then color them. This would make a really cute bulletin board or a good take-home paper for them to be able to share with their families. So I hope you'll check out Squirrel Fun Dynamics Match Game in my shop on TPT.